Dili hosted the Visit Malaysia 2026 Destination Seminar, bringing together tourism stakeholders from both Malaysia and Timor-Leste to strengthen tourism cooperation and promote Malaysia as a leading travel destination. The program began with a showcase of cultural performance and welcoming remarks by the Director of Tourism Malaysia, Jakarta.
Actually, my Expo Daily, I think it'll be a few times already be held in Timor-Leste, but this is our first time we are participating in this My Expo Daily. As for Tourism Malaysia, we are hoping that to promote Visit Malaysia Year 2026 in conjunction, and perhaps our Visit Malaysia is going to extend to up to 2027. In our hope that we're coming to promote to Malaysia, because currently we have about 5 times flights to Malaysia lah. With direct flight from Dili to Kuala Lumpur 5 times, 3 times by Batik Air, 2 times by Aero Dili. I think that accessibility is not a problem for Timorean to go to Malaysia. That's our hope here. And we're working together with Embassy of Malaysia Dili, with the organizer of my expo, to promote Visit Malaysia Year 2026.
And can you explain what is happening today? What is showcasing today at CCD?
Okay. Besides tourism promotion, we do have a business partner from Malaysia coming here to promote business opportunity in Malaysia. And of course, as a tourism Malaysia, we try to promote tourism as much as we can. Besides, we have an opening ceremony this morning. And after that, we are going to have a destination seminar at 11 o'clock. With 3 presentation, one from Tourism Malaysia, the other 2 is from travel agency from Malaysia, we call it MEDI, and also On The Go Malaysia, to promote destination and packages to Malaysia. And this evening later on, at 6 o'clock in the evening, we're going to have a launching of Flavor of Malaysia at Palm Springs Hotel.
Okay. And so with the seminars today, it will bring together, tourism, Malaysia, travel agencies, as well as tourism stakeholders. And so what key message or experience do you hope Timorese travel partners and potential visitors will take away from this event?
Okay. As a first timer to come here to promote Malaysia, I think it's not a very unusual country, Malaysia to Timorese. But in my hope that we are going to introduce Malaysia. We're starting the presentation with a destination first, and after that, packages by the industry players from Malaysia. That we bring in the 2 agents that we are put more trust today as a beginner and also first timer to Timorese. That is a time for Timorese to get to know Malaysia and also do business with our partners.
The seminar features presentations by Tourism Malaysia, MEDI Travel Solution, and Ontego Travel and Tours, showcasing Malaysia's tourism offerings, new travel packages, and opportunities for collaboration with Timorese travel partners. A business-to-business networking session will provide travel agencies and industry representatives with the opportunity to establish partnerships and explore new business opportunities.
From this expo, feel so happy because I can see the culture from Malaysia and I see some local product and I learn a lot here.
In this activity, I have some experience and I feel really happy because I got many experience in there, like about technology, about marketing. So saya sangat happy sekali karena di sini bukan hanya mengenai promosi produk saja, but actually it is about all of the things of technology. Jadi menambah pengetahuan saya mengenai sesuatu yang belum saya tahu.
Okay, so we also from association from Lenuk Tasik Conservation Center. So we come here not only to experience about the expo, about the culture change and everything, but we also want to find a business partner also to contribute to our tour guiding stuff and about educational program and biodiversity and everything. So we want to collaborate with them also. So when we come here, we get the invitation. We're very happy, very interesting, and we come here. And then, as you can, the experience that we got. Also, we already made one or two collaborate with to CEOs, maybe I don't know, to companies, and it's very helpful for us. And I think maybe this experience that we have is very gonna help us a lot to the future that we're gonna gain. Yes.
The event concludes by reaffirming the shared commitment of Malaysia and Timor-Leste to enhancing tourism exchanges and strengthening bilateral cooperation through the Visit Malaysia 2026 campaign.